I'm Isaac, and welcome back to the epic official channel of Isaac Rodgers. Today, I'm going to be burping every Premier League team. So, before I start, don't forget to go down there, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications if you haven't done that already, and also, like this video. So now, let's get into the video.
Arsenal, Aston Villa, Bournemouth, Brighton, Burnley, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Everton, Leicester, Liverpool, Man City, Man United, Newcastle, Norwich, Sheffield United, Southampton, Spurs, Watford, West Ham, Wolves.
So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't done that already. And comment down below if you would be able to burp every single Premier League team. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!